Yeah. Jeff Barton here again. Just we're up at Buffalo Brook up in Vermont with the Nutmeg Prospecting group. A whole bunch of us prospecting today, so we're gonna go down and visit some, say hi to them. And I got PA down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I didn't think Alan was gonna come. Oh yeah, there he is.
Alan down on.
Speaking of that,
get the stickers.
you get stickers.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
I don't have one.
All right, walk back down here. Had to find a better way to get across. I brought all my gear over because I decided to stop and visit with people. I only found myself a few fly poops, maybe 4 of them. So I didn't get skunked, but a couple over there I have not met. Earl I was talking to earlier. Met Earl up in Maine last year, the first time. Met him 2 times. There's Hans. There's a lot of new people this year. They joined Nutmeg Prospector group. And PA. Of course, Heath, John are up there. Hey folks, I'm up here. This is with Steve Acton. Come up from Newmarket. He just recently, well, he's been with the Gold community for a while, but I think it's my first time meeting him. I've seen him before, but he's up here trying to get some gold, just like everyone. So, did you get any?
Nothing.
Yeah, I got a few
4
fly
years.
poops, that's it.
Nothing.
But,
I'm on a terrible streak.
wow.
I gave up fishing for this. You look where I am.
All right, well,
But
hopefully
look
it'll
at this.
change.
You know, next comes the cigar.
Yeah, it's
And
beautiful.
gonna be a nice afternoon.
Nice and sunny. Can't complain. A lot better than it was last year. Last year it was rainy and cold. Yeah, you too, eventually. So yeah, I'm up with Chuck Schumer. Finally met him. We were supposed to go to Tunnel Brook last year, but we're going to do it this year, hopefully. Something came up. And Ann. It's Sister Ann. So, it's good to meet him. They're part of my group. Thank you. Look at Hans over there with those sexy shorts on.
Well, we're
Golden
going up.
Man.
Me, Dan, John, we're all staying the. No, that's the cabin. What the hell's the other one? You too, right by the pool. Cottages. We're staying right there in Ford.
How much gold you got? Lots?
Oh, right.
Yeah,
It's all in there.
I got like 4 fly poops. I did better last year, but
Well, I put a lot of work in.
yeah, I know that's the tease. I always the tease. I'll be like at Tunnel Brook and I like, oh look at this nice flag. Dig more, nothing. Dig more. Oh, another nice flag, and then nothing. And you're like, what?
So frustrating.
Yeah.
Who was Dan? For me, it was 4 hours. 3 quarters. So yeah, it wasn't bad. Oh, Dan, I think he's got 6 hours. Looking at people.
Yeah. It's an awkward position, and you gotta hold it.
Down by the river, just taking our time, looking for that gold. I wanna see that shine. My friends beside me, showing that shine. It's all good with that gold in your plan. Feels right, prospecting with friends, yeah, that's just fine. Let's get that gold and have a great time. We swirl that pan, slow circles, chasing little flashes in the breeze. Every tiny fleck in the sunlight, we cheer like we struck it rich. But the richest thing on this river bank is standing right here in this ditch. Down by the river, just taking our time, looking for that gold. I wanna see that shine. My Let's get that gold and have a great time.